ऑस्टेनाइट विल नॉट बी अचीव। तो यहाँ पर हीटिंग अचीव करना बहुत बहुत डिफिकल्ट टास्क है। कंट्रोल ऑन द टेम्परेचर इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट। नाउ Anugrapada, your doubt will be valid here. That doubt which you are talking. Now here, which carbon percentage we will refer for heat treatment?
So the carbon percentage of the
Surface.
if you want to carry out heat treatment only for the surface part, then it will be for the surface. And if we want to carry out for the entire
Here we will provide heat treatment. Yes, here we will provide heat treatment only to the surface.
Okay.
Okay, so here suppose it is 0.3%, for example. Okay, and here it is, let us say 0.2. So we will consider 0.3% to decide the austenitic temperature. Is it okay, Anugrapada?
Yes, sir.
Because we have to ensure that here austenite should be achieved.
Sir, I have one small doubt.
Yes. Yes, Vinny.
Sir, when you're heating initially to that 900 degrees, no as such transformation takes place, right? Like to austenite?
No.
It's only
We
for
are
carbon.
only heating it so that only for carbon diffusion.
Okay.
That is why it is very time consuming process. Okay. But here now we will heat it up to that austenitic temperature and we will suddenly cool it.
Okay.
क्विंचिंग करेंगे हम, क्विंचिंग पानी में डुबा देंगे.
Okay.
ठीक है. But there that from that 900 degrees Celsius to room temperature we will bring it very slowly.
So that's slowly for after that first heat treatment, right?
उसमें हीट ट्रीटमेंट करेंगे ही नहीं नॉर्मली, बट ठीक है, वो एज गुड एज वो एनेलिंग टाइप का ट्रीटमेंट हो जाएगा. बट एनेलिंग में वैसे भी हार्डनेस बढ़ता नहीं है. एनेलिंग में तो हार्डनेस रिड्यूस होता है.
हाँ.
है ना. I can understand your doubt. Okay, you mean to say that while bringing from that 900 degrees Celsius to room temperature during initial process, what will happen?
Yes, sir.
This is
Yes,
what
sir.
your question.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So yes, being it is what I said that it is almost more than 15 hours, 20 hours of time process. So normally we will bring that 900 degrees Celsius to room temperature very slowly. So we may comment that it is as good as annealing type of treatment is taking place, but in annealing, never the hardness increases.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But once the product reaches to room temperature, then now we are going to provide heat treatment for only that selected portion. That means that carburized region.
Okay, sir. Okay, understood.
But very challenging, not that easy. हम इतना कह नहीं सकेंगे कि जो टेम्परेचर है अभी ऑस्टेनेटिक टेम्परेचर सपोज आपका यहाँ पर जो भी आपका आएगा, ओके, वेदर दैट टेम्परेचर इज फॉर ओनली 2 mm, क्योंकि आपका मटेरियल जो है वो उसमें हीट ट्रांसफर होते रहेगा ना.
हाँ सर.
है ना. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी कैन नॉट कमेंट कि सेंटर पोर्शन में हीट जाएगा ही नहीं. एट द सेंटर पोर्शन आल्सो हीट विल गो.
ओके, फाइन. ओके, अंडरस्टूड सर.
ठीक है. नरेश, इज इट ओके?
यस सर.
ओके, ठीक है. सो नाउ I hope you will apply the heat treatment topic to that point again very effectively in the same manner. तो यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे, हम इसे ऑस्टेनाइट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, फिर सडन कूलिंग से इसे मार्टेनसाइट में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So all that mechanism will be applicable, so that we can say that at the case depth the hardness is obtained. Any doubt to anyone till now?
सर,
पुष्पेंद्र. हाँ, निखिल बोलिए.
Sir, so we are heating austenite so that it diffuses more carbon, right?
Sorry.
So that you said that you heat it till that austenitic region, so it becomes austenite. So it's basically to diffuse carbon, right?
During first process,
Yeah.
during carburizing.
Okay, so here it's not the objective.
Here the carburizing is done. Now, after carburizing, we are providing heat treatment.
Okay.
Carburizing is over. Now, after completing carburizing, we are providing heat treatment.
Okay, so in that process it converts to austenite.
Yes. Okay. Now you tell me, after carburizing, why we are providing heat treatment?
Sir, because we need to get the hardness, you need to cool it back to martensite. So, and to get martensite, we need austenite.
Yes. Okay. So initially during carburizing, we only diffuse the carbon. ठीक है, हमने सिर्फ कार्बन डिफ्यूज किया है, बट वहां पर कार्बन बढ़ाने से हार्डनेस नहीं बढ़ रहा है. ठीक है, जब तक उसे आप ऑस्टेनाइट से मार्टेनसाइट में कन्वर्ट नहीं करते हैं, आपका हार्डनेस ड्रास्टिकली नहीं बढ़ रहा है. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
So it is a two-step process. एक है आपका कार्बोराइजिंग एंड देन आफ्टर दैट हीट ट्रीटमेंट.
Yes, sir. Okay.
कोई डाउट है किसी को फिर भी पूछिए, बिकॉज देन वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड दिस, आई एम श्योर आपको नाइट्राइडिंग भी समझ में आएगा, कार्बोनाइट्राइडिंग भी समझ में आएगा, आगे का सब कुछ समझ में आ जाएगा. एनी डाउट टू एनीवन? Open question to all. Let me know if there is any doubt to anyone. No doubt. Anugrapada, any good doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, thank you. So now let us proceed for decarburizing. Now you only will tell me what is this topic. Although this is not now related to our syllabus, but by spending 2-3 minutes you will understand this very quickly. This is not related to our syllabus, but still let us understand it. क्या हो सकता है लॉजिकली? ओपन क्वेश्चन टू एनीवन.
Reducing
Please
the
come
carbon.
forward.
Opposite of carburization. Opposite of what happened earlier.
Yes, opposite of carburizing. जैसे हम कहते हैं ना,
Carbon
ऑक्सीडेशन डीऑक्सीडेशन. Okay, oxidation, deoxidation. Similarly, it is carburizing, decarburizing. That means क्या करेंगे हम यहाँ पर? From the surface, we will reduce the carbon content, and at rest of the portion, carbon will be high. Okay, but accordingly, if the product is in need of that type of requirement, then only we will go for that. But I wanted to just tell you that this type of concept is there. ओके, रिएक्शन उल्टा करना होता है उसमें. ओके, तो रिएक्शन उल्टा करने से